Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. The Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon may look like a modern stealth fighter and may have been developed from the technologies stolen from Lockheed Martin's F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. Yet, the aircraft flew with two Russian-made AL-31F jet engines. These engines are also powering Su-27 and Su-30 aircraft, as well as China's J-10. It is a third-generation propulsion technology developed in 1980s to power the fifth-generation fighter. The Achilles heel of Chinese air power has been Beijing's perennial inability to design and build reliable military jet engines. As a result, the J-20 is not as mighty as it is claimed by China, at least if it continues to rely on the engines designed older than its pilot. These high-end technologies involved in development of engines are difficult to master, and only very few countries have succeeded in doing so. The main difficulty lies in the metallurgy and machining. Recently, DRDO has succeeded in one such technology that involved forging of the titanium-based alloy using isothermal forge. If we take example of civilian Boeing 747 airliner's engine, it has at least 40,000 parts. Temperatures in the engine can reach as high as 2500 degrees Fahrenheit, and its fan blades can spin well over 3000 times a minute during an hour-long flight. Engine parts, and especially its blade, must be able to withstand and not degrade under the external factors like wind resistance and corrosion, extreme temperature and pressure, which is the key to success of any jet engines. The blueprints for such an engine can be stolen or copied, but the secrets to producing and forging metal parts without breaking is not easy to find. The inability of China to design and build reliable and powerful jet engines has forced the country to rely on its aero engine technology and engines imported from Russia. While Russia has supplied China with a huge number of engines for Chinese fighter jets, Moscow has however declined to be part of its fighter engine technology program. Russia prefers to sell the entire aircraft to China due to China's history of reverse engineering. To overcome this problem, China is planning to take over Motor Sich, a Ukrainian engine maker. It is considered as the largest aero engine enterprise that has been operating since the Soviet era and produces engines for missiles, helicopters and jets. It is one of those few companies in the world which can design and build new engine front to back of its own. According to reports, Motor Sich produces 28 different types of engine which are installed on Mi and Ka series military helicopters and Antonov series plane. The Chinese state-owned aviation firm Skyrizon wanted to acquire a controlling stake in Motor Sich in an attempt to get direct access to the secrets of jet manufacturing. However, under the pressure from US, the Ukrainian government has stalled this deal. The Skyrizon has also been blacklisted by US government. Despite the setbacks, Beijing has made progress in developing modern variants of WS-10 engines. The WS-10C, which is an advanced version of older WS-10 engines, will be the third engine used in J-20 fighters. The first two engines used in the aircraft are Russian AL-31F M1 from Su-34 strike fighter and an older variant of WS-10. The WS-10C is considered one of the most capable fourth-generation fighter engines in the world, although it is still considerably behind the upcoming Russian Saturn 30 being developed for Su-57. China is also working on WS-15 engines, which is expected to be integrated onto Chinese future generation fighters of J-20 and will likely be the most powerful fighter engine in the world. As per Chinese sources, the WS-15 development may take 1 or 2 years to complete, and the engine will be integrated with J-20. It will be on par with US 5th generation F-22 Raptor. According to the recent report from CCTV, the Chinese People Liberation Army's PLA Air Force has deployed a new brigade of J-20 jets. The improved J-20A variant will be powered by new WS-10C engines with a much improved performance over older J-20 units. The J-20 jets have been deployed under the Northern Theater Command. China has also started the production of new variant of J-20, the J-20B, in 2020, and a twin-seater variant is also expected. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.